Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into a topic that so many of us struggle with, dark circles. Whether they're blue, brown, purple, or just shadowed, I've got some fantastic tips for you. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about the different types of dark circles and what causes them. Bluish dark circles often come from a stressful lifestyle, lack of sleep, allergies, or a stuffy nose. They happen because nasal decongestants slow down microcirculation, making the blood less oxygenated. Now, brownish dark circles are usually due to age, genetics, or sun damage. Hyperpigmentation is super common in medium to darker skin tones. Purplish ones? Well, they're often from aging or genetics too. Thinning skin makes those blood vessels more visible, especially in fair skin tones. And shadowed or hollowed circles? Those can be from weight loss, deep-set eyes, or facial structure. Okay, now for the good stuff. Solutions. For general care, get enough sleep, don't apply too much pressure to the eye area, and always remove your contact lenses and eye makeup before bed. Limit screen time in the dark, and never rub the under-eye skin. Use eye drops for itchiness and gently massage with a soothing cream. Always remember to moisturize the under-eye area and avoid heavy concealers. Lightweight color correctors are your friends. For bluish dark circles, tackle the root causes like stress, allergies, and lack of sleep. Brownish ones, use SPF daily, even under makeup, and a brightening serum with vitamin C or niacinamide. Sheet masks with brightening ingredients can also be a game changer. If you're dealing with purplish circles, anti-aging products with peptides and EGF are your best bet. Apply them with gentle pressure using your ring finger after cleansing and toning. And for shadowed or hollowed circles, makeup techniques like color correcting can work wonders. Now, makeup removal is super important. Even if you didn't wear much makeup, make sure to remove it all. Use a gentle makeup remover and a cotton pad or Q-tip, and be careful not to smear product into your eyes. A few more tips before I wrap up. Reapply sunscreen every 3-4 hours and use a lightweight hydrating concealer. Trust me, these small changes can make a huge difference. So there you have it, some easy hacks to banish those dark circles. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more beauty tips and tricks. And hey, if you've tried any of these hacks, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.